Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy natural DIY method to remove your facial hair without going to the salon. At this testing times, you can't really go out for these mere reasons. So this is a very easy DIY. I'm not really a very big DIY person, but this particular mask gives you results instantly and it works. So I thought I have to share it with you guys. So I'll first share you all the ingredients, and the ingredients are mostly available in our kitchens. Maybe just one you have to get from outside might be gelatin. Some also carry gelatin at home. So you need one gelatin, 1 spoon, hot milk, 2 spoons, aloe vera gel or honey, 1/4 spoon, turmeric, 1 pinch, a bit of lemon juice or essential oils because gelatin smells very bad, so you can really do add some essential oil or lemon to avoid the smell of it. Even if you add lemon, it's not going to really take off the smell. Better add some essential oils. I don't have any, so I didn't do it. To this 1 spoon of gelatin, I'm adding 2 spoons of hot milk. You have to use hot milk, even if it's raw milk, even if it's not boiled milk. You have to use hot milk because the temperature is the thing which actually melts gelatin. Otherwise gelatin doesn't really melt. So to this I'm also going to add bit of honey. Like I've added 1/4 spoon of honey. This actually helps in moisturizing because you pull off the mask from your face. A bit of moisturization really does help. To this I also added lemon juice. This is for smell, guys. Gelatin smells real bad. It's very bad. The only con of this hack is the smell. And then I've added turmeric. Turmeric is the thing which actually helps in avoiding hair growth. It actually helps in permanently avoiding the hair growth on your hair. So it's a normal turmeric. I've just added a pinch of it because it might leave a yellow cast on my face. So I didn't want it, so I've just added a pinch of it. You have to be real quick while applying this mask, otherwise it might get hardened. Even if it gets hardened, you can just heat it up for 5 seconds in your microwave. Do not heat it up for more than 5 seconds. It might get hot and you might not be able to apply it on your face. So you have to be real quick while applying this mask on your face. And I've applied it all over my face. There are some baby hairs falling over my face, and I have to avoid all the eyebrows because I shouldn't peel off my eyebrows. And so, what I've actually done, I haven't found any, not even a single hairband in my home today. So, whatever it is, so I've applied it all over my face, and with wet hand, like cold water wet hand, I've wiped all my eyebrows and the excess hair which was falling onto my face. So remove it, because if you don't remove it, it might get stick, and when you pull it, those hairs which I wanted also might come off. So I've left it for 30 minutes. I've actually left it for some more time because of the monsoons here. It's not getting dry quickly. So for peeling off, you have to push your skin backwards and then try to peel off the mask. And always do pull the mask in the upward direction because that is opposite to the direction of your hair growth, so that it pulls off all the hair. And it did even pull off baby hairs, like some of the baby hairs which are on my upper lip. It worked really well for me. It also peels off some whiteheads. It doesn't peel off blackheads, as like blackheads are so deep in our skin. You can actually see the radiance on my face. It really brightened my face, maybe because of turmeric. You can actually see the difference. And be very gentle while pulling it off because it sticks real hard to your skin and it pulls off all the hair on your face. You can really see the difference immediately. And I'll also show you the mask after I peel it off. You can see the hair and some of the whiteheads on the mask too. I'm not sure if the camera is catching it properly. And after this, I've washed my face with some warm water. You can see how the skin is glowing and there's no hair on my cheeks at all. Even the upper lip, the hair has been pulled off very nicely. And then I'll wash my face with some warm water and then I'll apply some ice on my skin, and it might cause redness some people who are sensitive. So just apply a cube of ice to your face completely, like for a good amount of time. And it actually, because that's hot and all, it might have opened up your pores. So ice actually closes your pores a lot. And then I'm applying my favorite moisturizer. You can apply any thing you use, like any moisturizer of your choice. I use Recul ones. Recul something. So I use that and I've applied it all over my face and I've gently patted my face and I think my face is ready. You can totally do this before some any occasion, like you're going out for some party or something. Of course you don't go anywhere nowadays, but if you're going out also you can do that because it really glows up your face. But you have to be really careful when you add turmeric. The turmeric has to be a little pinch, otherwise it will leave a yellow cast on your face. So I hope this video is useful and you do remove your hair at home in this testing time. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.